Welcome to Reddy's classes. This is your first lecture of Maths 1, that is Algebra. In Algebra, you have got totally 6 topics. I'll just read them for you. Number 1 is linear equations in 2 variables. Second is quadratic equations. Third is arithmetic progressions. Fourth is financial planning. Fifth is probability, and sixth is statistics. I think topic number 1, topic number 2, topic number 6 you are already conversant with. Only remaining are the new subjects. Don't worry, it will be very easy when you join the Reddy's classes. That is all. Let us start with first chapter, that is linear equations in 2 variables. Suppose if you are given an equation of the kind 2x plus 3y is equal to 10, then this will be a linear equation. Why it will be linear? Because variables x and y both have degree 1. If they have got power 1, then it is called as linear equations. And since there are 2 variables x and y, therefore it is linear equation in 2 variables. Generally, you are given 2 equations like this, and we shall call this as equation 1, and second equation like 5x minus 7y equal to 12. This we will call it as an equation 2. This will be our standard practice. In question, even though the equations are given one after another, you have to write them in this format first, and thereafterwards you should try to solve. In general, what we will say is linear equations are of the types ax plus by is equal to c. This is your first equation, and dx plus ey is equal to f. This is your second equation. Remember, a, b, c, d, e, f are pure sine numbers. Now, how to solve them? Now, we have got a fixed sequence by which you can solve these equations. So, we will take that fixed sequence. First, you have to try and see whether a is equal to minus b. If a is equal to minus b or b is equal to minus b, if either this or this condition is satisfied, then you have to take action. You have to take action. Add the equations. condition is not followed, then you have to go for second time. If A is equal to D or B is equal to E, in such case, what action we are supposed to take? Subtract the equations. In third case, if you find A is equal to E and remember here there was or and here there is and means both the conditions must be satisfied at one time. If A is equal to E and B is equal to D, then what action you have to take? You have to take three actions. Number one action is add the equations, simplify. Add the equations and simplify. This is your equation 3. Then second condition is subtract the equations and simplify. And simplify. This is your equation 4. And third action is add equations 3 and 4. And 4. In the case when none of the conditions of 1, 2 and 3 they are satisfied, then you have neither of above then you have to take action like multiply equation 1 with D. Then you get equation 3. Second is multiply equation 2 with A. This is your equation 4. Number third is subtract equations 3 and 4. Subtract equation 3 and 4. Suppose if none of these things work and the equations are not in standard form, then fifth idea is to substitute. How to do this? We will give you one example and explain each and everything. You must have found this boring, but once you try to take inside all these things, it will be very easy for you. Just let's go to page number 3, page number 5 Question number 2 of problem set 1.1. Okay, we will have one another equation set to demonstrate this. So we are introducing our own example. Example 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. This will be your equation number 1. Then minus 2x plus 5y. Let us take 7y is equal to 12. This is your equation 2. Why I have taken this example? Because I wanted to demonstrate our condition. This is your A. This is your D. Do you find A is equal to minus B? Whether their signs are opposite? Yes. Then we can apply the rules and the equations. Sometimes these may not have same numbers and opposite signs. In that case, you can go over here, you can see whether the numbers are same and signs are opposite. Even then, you have to take the same action. So either look here or look here. The numbers must be same and signs must be opposite. Minus sign can be above, plus sign can be below. But they have to be opposite. Same is the case over here. So let's add the equations. Before adding, you have to write adding equations 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Number 1. And minus 2x plus 7y is equal to 12. This is number 2. Let's add them. You know, plus 2x and minus 2x produces result 0, plus 10y produces result 20. 8 plus 12 is 20. Therefore, now you will not write 0 over here. 10y is equal to 20. Therefore, y is equal to 20 divided by 10. Therefore, y is equal to 2. See now, our main action, add the equations, has served one purpose. What is the purpose? We have got one of the variables. Our one variable has got eliminated. X has got eliminated. Only y has remained. And we have been able to solve for y. Now, let's go for the second part. Once the first variable is obtained, then you have to put it in any of the equations, either this or this. By placing the value of y, in equation 1 in equation 1. Remember, first of all you have to write the equation 1. Don't forget to write the equation 1. Many people do that, which is not good. So write 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. And there afterwards you put the value of y. Therefore, 2x plus 3 into, what is the value of y? 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, 2x plus 3 into 2 is 6 equal to 8. Therefore, 2x is equal to 8 minus 6. Therefore, 2x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Therefore, solution is x comma y, that is equal to, value of x you have to write first. Don't write the value of y first. You must write the value of x first. 1 comma, then put the value of y. We should not change this sequence because it is customary to go in the order of alphabets. In alphabetical order, x is first and y is later. Therefore, the same way you have to write the value of x first and then the value of y. So, this is the solution of your equation. This was our own example. But now onwards, we will try to find the examples in the book itself. Let us take on the page number 5, question number 2, example 3 is given. So let's go for that. Page 5, question 2, example 3. I have taken example 3 specifically because it illustrates our type 2. Type 1 equation we have solved before. Your first equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. This is your equation 1. Your second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 13. This is your equation 2. See here, our type second was if A is equal to D. That means ये और ये हमारा सेम है क्या? हमारा ये सेम है, तो हमको यहाँ जाने की जरूरत नहीं. कभी कभी ऐसा होगा कि हमारे ये सेम नहीं रहेंगे मगर हमारे ये सेम रहेंगे. जब यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं है तो इट इज टेकन एज 1. मगर अभी के लिए हम वो लिखते नहीं है. अभी यहाँ पे if A is equal to D or B is equal to E, then go for type 2. Then what was the action? Subtract the equations. I am not writing it because you are not supposed to write it in the exam. But you have understood what action to take. What you should do is subtract the equations. So write subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, from equation 1, what do we get? 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. This is your first equation. Then you are supposed to subtract this. For subtracting, write it as it is and then reverse the signs. 2x plus y is equal to 13. Now, sign of this is plus, so I am making it minus. Sign of this is plus, I am making it minus. Sign of this is plus, I am making it minus. Now, I am adding them. 2x minus 2x is 0. Minus 3y minus y is equal to minus 4y. 9 minus 13 comes out to be minus 4. Is it okay? Therefore, now 0 you did not write. Therefore, minus 4y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to minus 4 by minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Now our half part is over. You are supposed to write whatever I am writing on the right side below this. Since board does not permit it, so I am writing over here. But you are supposed to write it below this. Placing the value of y, in. Now, this equation has got more number, but this equation has got less numbers. So let us take this equation in equation 2. You can as well put it in equation 1, no problems. First I am writing the equation 2x plus y equal to 13. Therefore, value of y I am placing over here. 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. Therefore, 2x is equal to 13 minus 1. Therefore, 2x is equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Therefore, solution is x comma y, that is x value you have to write first 6 comma 1. Now many people ask me why to write it this way. There is a reason for this. Reason we did not write in the exam. First equation represents some line. Say this. Second equation represents some line. Say this. Now intersection of the two lines is supposed to be the solution. This is just but a point of intersection. This point of intersection has got some coordinates x, y. So you have to write the answer in the same format x, y. Okay? Let us go for the third type. We shall take example number 7. 99x 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. This is your equation 1. Then 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. This is your equation 2. Have you got it? These are the two equations. Now, in the third type, as we explained you, this number is equal to this number. This was called A and this was called E. They are the same. Similarly, this number and this number also they are the same. So this is fit for our type 3. Okay? So in type 3, what action we were supposed to take? Your first step is add the equations. Second step is subtract the equations and simplify. Then you will get equations 3 and 4. And then again 3 and 4 you have to add them up. Okay? So adding equations 1 and 2. And 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 1. Then 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Number 2. Now we will add this. 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 1 plus 1 2. 200x plus again 200y is equal to 9 plus 1 10, 10, 5 plus 5 1000. Now we have added the equations, but we find that we can divide the equation by 200 and can simplify it. So dividing every term by 200, 200x by 200 plus 200y divided by 200 is equal to 1000 divided by 200. For simplification, what we have done is, whatever we saw that is common in left as well as on the right, that we are cutting up by dividing. So this goes with this goes with this, and what remains is x plus y is equal to, now when we divide this, zeros get cancelled, 10 by 2 becomes 5. So this is the simplified equation. This is what I wanted to tell you about simplification. You divide by the common factor and you will simplify the equation. And this is your equation 3. Then subtracting equations 1 and 2. Equation 2 from 1. What we get is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Then while subtracting, you have to write the whole equation in the same way, like 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. And then you have to change the signs. So this is 101 minus 99. So it comes out to be minus 2x. Then this comes out to be plus 2y. This comes out to be minus 2. Now what we shall do is, just as we divided here by 200, we will divide here by minus 2. Therefore, minus 2x by minus 2 plus 2y divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2. Therefore, this divided by this turns out to be x. Then, since the signs are different over here, the sign is minus y is equal to 1. This is your fourth equation after simplification. This is the process of simplification and this is your equation after simplification. Now, you have to concentrate on equation 3 and equation 4. We have covered up step 1, we have covered up step 2. Now in step 3 you are supposed to add them up. So adding equations 3 and 4. Adding equations 3 and 4. X plus y is equal to 5. This is your equation 3. X minus y is equal to 1. This is your equation 4. And after adding, x plus x becomes 2x. Plus y minus y becomes 0. Is equal to 5 plus 1 becomes 6. Therefore, 2x equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Now the third part I am writing over here. You already obtained first variable. Now put it. Now see, you have got a choice. You have got 1, 2, 3 and 4 equations. Anywhere you can put. But what I find is, the most simple equation out of all these is this one. So I try to put the value in equation number 3 because these are very big numbers. These are very big numbers. This contains minus sign. So this is quite preferable for me. Right? So I am putting it in this. May I write over here in this portion? No problem. I can write. This is your equation placing the value of x in equation 3. X plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, what is the value of x? 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to 2. So our solution is x comma y. That is, first you have to write the value of x, 3. And second you have to write the value of y, 2. So, what we have seen is this. Even though our theory seemed little bit complicated for me, but I have simplified everything. Very big equations, it is solved very easily. Similarly, if you try to follow this method, if you go by our methods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you will never have any problem in any equations. You don't have to think. Just blindly see whether A is equal to B, whether A is not equal to, whether A is equal to minus D, or whether B is equal to minus C. Like, that's all. Once you see all these things, then everything flows out very smoothly. Now, we have to look for the type 4 and type 5 equations. But that we shall do in the next lecture. Okay? Till that time, bye.